Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome student, I am Assistant Professor Sachin Bidwai from Zeal College of Engineering. In today's video, I am taking very important topic is a Fourier series. Now, in your mind, question arises, what is meant by Fourier series? A series containing a sine and cosine term is called as a Fourier series. So, basically, Fourier series is used to represent a periodic signal in terms of sine and cosine waves. It had been introduced for the purpose of solving the heat equation in a metal plate, and basically major use in signals and systems. It is a conversion of an arbitrary continuous function into a trigonometric functions. So we can say that if we have any complicated functions, we can convert that complicated function in terms of sine and cosine in a trigonometric ratio. We have various methods to solve. So that representation is called as Fourier series representation. Any complicated function we can convert into sine and cosine term. That representation of that function is in terms of sine and cosine is called as a Fourier series representation. Fourier series is used in many things as follows. In MP3, for audio compression, we can use Fourier series. Next application is in approximation theory, also Fourier series is used. Third application, advanced noise cancellation and cell phone network technology, in that also Fourier series used. If you want to compare DNA sequences, for that purpose also the Fourier series is used. In telecommunication system, for modulation and demodulation of voice signals, also Fourier series they are used. Fourier series is the origin of Fourier transform, which will be highly required in various programs of engineering streams. Have a look of animated and geometrical significance of the Fourier series. We observe here, this is a function, and its Fourier series representation is this. We can convert that complicated function in simple sine and cosine function and predict quality result from this. Next, a Dirichlet condition. If any function satisfies the Dirichlet condition, then only we can find the Fourier series of that function. So now let's see the condition of the Dirichlet condition. F of x is a function, and over the interval c to c plus 2l, first condition is f of x is defined in that interval, as well as it is a single valued function and its integration of that function exists in that given interval c to c plus 2l. Now what is meant by single valued function? For a particular argument, the function have a unique value is called as a single valued function. Second is f of x may have finite number of finite discontinuities in the given interval. If we observe that in a given interval, if function having infinitely many discontinuities, then we cannot find the Fourier series. It is not necessary, it is always continuous throughout the interval. Finitely many discontinuity if occur, then also we can find the Fourier series. Third, f of x is have finitely many maxima and minima in the given interval. If that function having infinitely many maxima and minima in that interval, then we cannot find the Fourier series. So if the given function satisfy all these three conditions, then we can easily find out the Fourier series of that function. Now let's take one example on this type. Let f of x is periodic function with period 2 pi and it must satisfy the Dirichlet condition. Then Fourier series of that function is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So here a naught, an, bn are the Fourier coefficient or Fourier constant. Now a naught, how we find a naught? Our aim is to find a naught, an and bn value. Substitute in above formulae, we get the Fourier series representation of that function. Now a naught is equal to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. That means we have to take integration over the limit 0 to 2 pi of that function. An 1 upon pi, we have to take the integration of f of x into cos nx dx over the interval 0 to 2 pi. Next, an 1 upon pi, we have to take integration of the function f of x sin nx over the interval over the limits 0 to 2 pi. Find this a naught, an, bn value and substitute in the above formulae, we get Fourier series representation of that function. Now example, find the Fourier series of f of x e raised to minus x over the interval 0 to 2 pi. Here they given f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. So it means that function is periodic with period 2 pi. Now Fourier series of that function is f of x is a naught by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx. Our task is find a naught, an and bn value. Find these values and substitute here, we get the Fourier series representation of that function. So a naught formula is 1 upon pi integration of f of x dx. So f of x is e raised to minus x, I replace that f of x by e raised to minus x. We have to take just integration of e raised to minus x. So e raised to minus x integration is e raised to minus x upon minus 1 over the interval 0 to 2 pi. So we get 1 upon pi e raised to minus x upon minus 1 over the interval 0 to 2 pi. Now here after integration we have to put the limits. How we put? Upper limit minus lower limit. We have to put upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is 2 pi and lower limit is 0. So first replace x by 2 pi minus lower limit is 0. So we get this step. E raised to 1 upon pi, e raised to minus 2 pi minus e raised to 0 upon minus 1. And e raised to 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0 is always 1. So finally, after simplification, we get a naught is 1 upon pi, 1 minus e raised to minus 2 pi. This is a naught value. This is a naught value. Now for further finding an and bn, we require some formulae. Just I introduce this formulae, formula 1. When we use this formulae, whenever there exists exponential function and trigonometric function product, here I use a trigonometric function only, cos and sin here for this. So we can use this function, this integration value directly. So integration e raised to ax cos nx dx is e raised to ax upon a square plus n square into a cos nx plus n sin nx. Second formula is integration e raised to ax sin nx dx is e raised to ax upon a square plus n square a sin nx minus n cos nx. So we observe here an is 1 upon pi integration e raised to minus x cos nx dx. F of x is replaced by e raised to minus x. Now I compare first formula with this. So when I compare e raised to ax and e raised to minus x, that means a value is minus 1. Cos nx is same. So we can replace here a by minus 1, a by minus 1. So e raised to minus x minus 1 square plus n square, a is replaced by minus 1 cos nx plus n sin nx. I write this term here. Same term we get here. Over the integration limit 0 to 2 pi. Now we have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. First x is replaced by, here substitute in this term we have to substitute upper limit first. That means x is replaced by 2 pi minus lower limit is 0. So x is replaced by 0. So we get these two terms, subtraction. So we know that cos 2n pi is 1 and sin 2n pi is 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Just we have to simplify this. After simplification, we get an value is 1 minus e raised to minus 2 pi upon pi into 1 plus n square. This is an value. Now bn value is, bn formula is 1 upon pi integration f of x into sin nx dx. So f of x is replaced by e raised to minus x. Now again I use second formula and a is replaced by minus 1 in that. We get this step. Then upper limit minus lower limit, similar as an, we have to follow the steps. Upper limit is 2 pi and lower limit is 0. So when I substitute upper limit, then we get first bracket, and when I substitute lower limit, we get the second bracket. Now sin 2n pi is 0 and cos 2n pi is 1. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So after simplification, we get this bn value, n into 1 minus e raised to minus 2 pi upon pi 1 plus n square. This is our bn value. Now our task is, we already calculate a0, an and bn values. Just we have to substitute in the formula. What is formula? For the Fourier series, f of x is a0 by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So substitute that a0, an and bn value here, we get Fourier series representation of that function e raised to minus x. So when I just substitute that a0, an, bn value and take the term common which have not containing n, because the term containing n we have to write in the summation symbol. Other constant term, if common, we can take this. So I take this term is common. So common it outside the summation sign. After simplification, we get this term finally. So e raised to minus x Fourier series representation is this. In this video lecture, I studied how to find the Fourier series of the function in the interval 0 to 2 pi. I hope you will enjoy and understood all the things. Thank you.